Hi, ladies and gentlemen. The crust is on the speech. Crust is tight in his membrane, we believe, but not in belly. In his belly. I'm in full charge of, in this world, not forcing the laughters, but the pains. And the pains, and often the reflex, when your pain suddenly disappear and reappear to Jesus. So in my lost time, is in my free times, I listen and I receive karma or pains or tease in my membrane. So that tight, that size of the cross is around and around any continent. Because of the Lord, the Lord, sky and collaborative upon the stars. To say a little point there about this. When I'm young, I am blessed by my Father. And I receive in my stars a holy faction, a fractal that make me think higher and higher again. I reach graces there, grace. And I can, through my elevation, model an authority upon myself and the other. I'm kind of a model for them, early in age. And I never lost contact when the crossroad begins. A teenager dream, teenager happening, holidays. I believe I change a little and become more open to the others. But in the other hand, they respect me for who I am, into myself, what it reached into them. That sensitivity makes me have an aura of calm and perhaps as well respect. Not forcingly the respect the people takes with again. Not at all that respect that belong to, sin, provocative, or even wronger celebration of untold mankind. Because my whole mentality is there for my mission on earth. And when I read of school and university, I truly believe I can do it. And there become the true rewarding path with a lot of suffer, a lot of mysticism, but as well, those wonders and the resurrection take place into us. Because somebody is behind the cross, somebody is behind the idol, somebody reached God. And that's not the guy in Argentina that do some closes about Jesus. That's from the within. That's from the pain as well. And that's all among a lot of prayers. So when I listen to that channel with prayers, it's beautiful. It comes through time, and I wish with this the support as well to me. Because I'm there to you when it's difficult. I'm not only speaking, and my true self is implicated, is really exhausting. I reached the Pope, my friend, when he got the last time a little way from his seat to the window, to the balcony, and do it, and raise him back, and do those wonders, those speeches. And you know, God of America, if you knew one day my sacrifice for the Holy Land, and how much time I think of you all, I wonder, you eternal people as I am, think that can't be there. Anyway, Christ is there. See ya.